Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, folks. XLM, money shouldn't need a passport. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. Anyways, folks, let's see what's happening with Stellar in particular and the larger crypto landscape in real time. What's happening? What's new? Look at this, folks. This is March 14th. CoinDesk. Regulatory wins. Market downers. World Liberty Financials token sale. Coinbase's win in India. Ripple bagging a license in Dubai. So this is relevant with XLM because we can see that utility projects always when we take the name of XLM, we take the name of XRP. It goes hand in hand, the community and whatnot. So Ripple bagging licenses in Dubai, regulatory wins. This is all good for XLM in the long run. So let's see what this is. What's new in the market? Okay. It was a week of red in crypto and traditional markets with Bitcoin plummeting below $80K, although it is now up and it is trying to recover, but it is a sort of that volatile moment in the market. The market is in a limbo. I covered that in the quant video as well, that a lot of people are saying that the price will be back to $76K in no time. Meanwhile, others are saying that this has been a temporary correction and the price will be back above 100K soon. So different perspectives, different analysis, folks. So it depends on who you talk to, but you have to be cautious. Look at this. With the new administration on a tariff tear this week, the markets were spooked about a recession and crypto was not immune. The stock market plummeted as well. It dropped, although now it is recovering as we are talking. But like I told you guys, things are a bit confusing. Anyways, as far as the institutions are concerned, as far as these financial giants are concerned, look at this. Progress in digital assets was all around, and our reporters reported it all with alacrity. BlackRock's bellwether Biddle fund topped $1 billion, and tokenized treasuries hit $4.2 billion, folks. Now, this is what we're talking about. This is really great for projects such as Stellar, because the arena of tokenization is something that Stellar is also working on. It is trying to disrupt trillions of dollars, folks, be it payment, be it gaming, be it AI, be it any segment. Stellar is involved in everything and anything in between, trying to serve the underserved communities. And this is also great news over here. Ripple won a payments license in the UAE, Sharia, according Sharia Malwa over here. Okay. OKX won a license to operate in Europe. All good for the overall landscape of the industry, folks. This is great. The Trump family continued to be front and center in the crypto news. Ever since Trump has taken over, we've seen positive sentiments overall. Although the tariff news hit the markets, but overall, this industry has seen some positives, folks. That's for sure. World Liberty Financial completed a $590 million token sale for accredited investors for now, with an assist from advisor investor and Tron founder Justin Sun. The Wall Street Journal reported that a Trump family representative also explored buying a stake in Binance US, and we're constantly seeing CZ news with Trump that he should get a pardon and a lot of that stuff through World Liberty Financial. This is great for the overall industry, and this is great for XLM as well. If everything works out for XLM and the entire crypto market in general, it's going to be really good for Stellar as well. So look at this. Although the price hasn't reflected what the fundamentals have been up to, but look at this. Things will change soon if Stellar continues on to develop and provide these use cases and forge as partnerships. Things will change. Let me first start with the official handle over here of Stellar to see if what's happening, what's new. Look at this. Money shouldn't need a passport to cross borders. And I agree to this, folks. If someone is if there is an emergency in one part of the country, the entire humanity has that, should help that certain community or certain individuals. And for that, you need money, and the money needs to transfer across border. And it is really difficult at the moment, taking 5 business days in the outdated legacy systems. And Stellar wants to change that. That's for sure. Look at this, real world assets on chain, because value shouldn't need a middleman. Real world asset tokenization is a primary narrative going forward in the world of finance, and some people say that it is just a narrative. It is much more than that. This is a new financial system. We've seen time and again how difficult it is to invest in certain assets, in certain luxury goods, in commodities, as well as gold, diamonds, real estate, property, you name it. And real world asset tokenization, real world assets on chain, it is going to make the life of investors really easy, folks. It is going to lower the barriers of entry, the underserved communities. Someone who wants to invest in Canada, they can do it. If someone wants to invest in USA, they can do it. In Europe, they can do it. So there won't be any barriers, and money wouldn't need a passport to cross the borders. And it's going to be really easy, to be honest. Look at this. When you build DeFi applications on Stellar, you're building on an established network with robust tools and a global ecosystem. This is great. Build DeFi with Soroban, Rust-based contracts. That is awesome. Sending money internationally shouldn't be a big deal. And I agree, I totally agree with this. And Stellar, folks, it has got a really noble cause. It is working with the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, UNICEF, you name it. It has been involved in the community-driven agendas, initiatives, and this is good. I've seen Stellar more than any other project. It is one of the best projects, if not the only, but one of the only projects that is truly focusing on the underserved community. It wants to build an inclusive financial infrastructure, and for that, it wants to, obviously, it has to create an infrastructure where sending money obviously shouldn't be a big deal. Thanks to on and off ramps on Stellar, you can instantly send cross-border payments at a fraction of the cost of traditional banking. Costs matter, folks. Imagine if someone sends a huge fund to a community in need. They wouldn't want their funds to be cut off in high transaction fees and different stuff. That costs a lot in the long haul. Even if we talk about the businesses, if we talk about the financial organizations, they obviously do not want to pay those extra fees that we've seen in Ethereum as well. So this is great. Traditional banking, the world of digital assets, the Stellar Anchor network bridges the gap between TradeFi and DeFi, marking the benefits of blockchain technology widely accessible. Awesome, folks. Now let's see some technicals over here as well, what's happening with the community overall. This is Lucky over here. XLM is approaching a decisive moment. Big move incoming, with strong support in the demand zone and resistance levels ahead. XLM is gearing up for a potential surge. A breakout above resistance could send it soaring high. Obviously, some crucial resistance points over here, but we can see that the price may come back and test these levels as well. It might go up, and if it goes on and breaks through this resistance level, it will go up significantly fast. But if it comes down over here and the price narrows down, then it will surge high as well, depending on if this support remains intact, because obviously anything can happen. We've seen crazy stuff happening in this industry, so let's hope for the best, folks. Okay, what else do we have? CW over here, XLM is starting to bounce from the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.236. Also, that line is the lower line of the bull flag pattern. The rally will start by breaking the upper line of that pattern. Yeah, same if the support remains intact and it goes on and tests this resistance line, the trend line, and breaks through. We're in for a ride, folks. Look at this. I mean, this is awesome. This is insane. Almost 90 cents, 85 cents. Massive gains, to be honest. Blockchain education is indeed required because, folks, the masses, they are focusing on memes still. They want pump and dubs. They want to get rich quickly, folks, and that has spoiled the mindset of conventional investing. What I really like about, although we oftentimes say that the legacy systems are outdated, the conventional systems are not good, but what I really like about the conventional systems and conventional setups are the mindsets of that past generation folks. Most of them didn't rely on just luck, gambling, speculation, getting rich quickly, and losing focus quickly. They basically had a long-term vision, a long-term goal for their investment, and they used to believe in it. They had conviction in it. They waited. They were patient. Unlike this generation, folks, we want quick gains, and obviously, this education is required in terms of blockchain as well, and in terms of mindset as well. So look at this. I believe that to make the crypto market grow, it is all about education and awareness. We need to be aware that the projects that are truly bringing credibility to this space, that are legitimizing this industry, those are the ones that need attention, that's for sure. Okay. This is awesome. Let us look at this video as well while we're at it. Seems interesting. Just a moment. Yeah.
Web3 is the next evolution of the internet, built on blockchain technology to create a decentralized, user-controlled digital world. Unlike Web2, where big tech companies owned and monetize your data, Web3 gives individuals full ownership over their identities, assets, and digital interactions. It enables peer-to-peer transactions, smart contracts, and decentralized applications, which are also known as dapps. It removes the need for intermediaries like banks, social media giants. Web3 integrates cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and decentralized finance, or DeFi, to create an open, permissionless ecosystem where users have control over their data and their money. This shift empowers individuals, enhances privacy, and paves the way for a more transparent, secure, and self-sovereign internet.
Folks, Stellar wants to do all of that, be it NFTs, be it DeFi, you name it, and all of that with regulations. This is what differentiates it with the rest of the crowd, from the rest of the crowd, folks. That's for sure. The utility gems, the utility projects that we cover, they are trying to focus on financial institutions, and they are focusing on compliance and regulations. Like, look at this one, Goku always on fire. I have reposted this one as well. This is really interesting. Look at this. Franklin Templeton, one of the world's largest asset managers, $1.5 trillion AUM, has tokenized their US government money fund, Benji, on Stellar. Not a test, not a pilot, live on Stellar today. Wisdom Tree manages $24 billion, has tokenized gold on Stellar. So this is what we're talking about, folks. These aren't crypto companies. These are regulated financial giants choosing Stellar. ABN AMRO, the third largest bank in the Netherlands, issued Epoch Bond, aviation industry bond, on Stellar's blockchain. Again, a massive traditional bank bypassing all other blockchains to utilize Stellar for real-world asset tokenization. There must be something special about Stellar that it is being chosen. Look at this. Talking about why it is being chosen. Look at this. Cross-border payments, decentralized exchange, XLM token utility, fast transaction speed, low transaction costs, financial inclusion. This is what I'm talking about. The most important point: bridges traditional banking with blockchain, offering services to the underbanked population. There are so many people that are they do not have access to financial platforms, and Stellar is trying to provide that. Asset tokenization enables businesses to issue digital representations of real world assets. And then we've got enterprise and NGO adoption, partnered with companies and nonprofits to enhance global financial infrastructure. Like I told you guys, UNHCR, UNICEF, you name it, folks. Stellar has been on fire, constantly building and developing, and it wants to basically move money and without a passport, basically. And what do you guys think about Stellar, folks, and the overall crypto landscape? What do you guys think about it? Do you think that money should need a passport to cross borders? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.